Can TikTok Shop ship to Canada? TikTok Shop can ship to Canada, but it depends on whether the seller offers international delivery. Some sellers enable cross-border shipping options that include Canada, while others may limit their sales to specific countries. Since TikTok Shop is expanding its global presence, international delivery options are becoming more common, but availability still varies based on each seller's setup and courier partnerships. When shopping from Canada, you can check if a product ships to your location by reviewing the shipping details before checkout. If a seller supports Canadian delivery, you'll see estimated shipping times, possible customs fees, and applicable taxes. This ensures transparency in cost and delivery expectations before you place your order. For sellers, offering shipping to Canada involves enabling international shipping in their TikTok Seller Center. They can set up shipping zones, rates, and carriers that support cross-border fulfillment. This allows them to reach a broader audience and tap into Canada's growing TikTok user base, which has shown strong engagement with social commerce. You can try Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It instantly gives you access to the best tools to optimize and grow your TikTok Shop business effortlessly.